I'm Qaiser Anjum with IPP News Program Diplomatic World. Viewer that you have already seen the three programs on Rwanda, and we have the honor to publish a special report entitled A Land of Smiling Offer Rwanda in Daily World Today. The last night in Lahore, Her Excellency the High Commissioner of Rwanda to Pakistan, Hari Ramana Fato, they gave the reception in the honor of the Pakistani investors and the renowned personalities. In this colorful event, High Commissioner in Rwanda of Pakistan, His Excellency Naim Khan was also present. Her Excellency said that Rwanda wishes to work with Pakistan in various sectors, including education, health, culture, IT, and agriculture. She invited Pakistani investors to invest in Rwanda, assuring them that the bank accounts and other necessary facilities would be provided online within just 20 minutes. She was speaking at the local hotel at Lahore, and she also said to Pakistani investors, visit Rwanda and invest and start the business.